Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I went to Ulta Beauty and I got some stuff, so let's see. So we got Eilish, the perfume. I've been wanting this for so long and I finally got it. So let's open it. Okay, wait for my dog doesn't chew that. And then here's the other box. And let's open it. Get on that, not for you. Excuse me. Okay. Can't open this without ruining the box. Get out of my bag! I don't want to rip the box at all. Oh. Okay, it's my first time ever opening it. I literally just got back. Woo! Look at it. It's so pretty. Okay. So here it is. And let's smell it. I already put it on me already at Same Bell. Oh my god, it smells so good. But yeah, I love this already. Okay. So now let's open the Ariana one. Now I think I got the big bottle. So let's look at my knee. My dog is so weird. Okay. How do I close this? I don't want to ruin the box. There we go. Okay. Okay. Bruno, don't chew that. Okay. Next, we got Bruno. Get. Get out of my way. Okay. Now we got Ariana's the back. So I think we got the big bottle. Same thing. Okay, good. Okay, don't worry, I'm making a lot of noise now. Okay. You done now? Okay. Get your big butt on my screen. Okay. Woo! Look how big that is. Oh my god. Look at this. I did not expect it to be that big. Holy crap. Now this is a 3.4 ounce. And Billie's is 1.7. So this is big. Smell it. Is that sprayed? Oh my god, that smells so fucking good. Oh my god. Both of them smell amazing. I'm in love with them. Okay. So I got one more thing to unbox, but I have to go get it real quick. So give me 1 second. Hold on, let me close this. Okay. I'll be right back. Oh yeah, oh, I forgot about this. So this was the, come on. I can't film videos in front of him. Okay, so this was like the gift that came with it, I guess, for the guy's woman. So I got this for free. So I think it's a body scrub and a mini perfume, I'm guessing. So I'm just gonna open this real quick and see. Let me open this. You open this one. Oh wait, there's tape on it. Let me get scissors real quick. I'll be right back. I got it open, I think. There you go. It just comes out just like that. Oh my god, that's cute. Okay. So, here's a little body scrub. Then, I'm guessing. I'm guessing this is just a mini version of the perfume. Oh! Did I break it? Okay, so my dad wanted me to unbox this. This is on Kenny Pickett jerseys, and one of them is mine, so I think there's like 4 in here. Okay. My handle care. Okay. Yeah, got 4 in here. But one of them is a large, so let's find mine. Men's, these were $130. It's extra large. This is extra large. This is large. This is mine. And the rest are daddy's. My dad's. Is this one it? No. Okay, I'll be right back. Open it. Oh, it's already open. Okay, here it is. And my dad ordered me one, so yeah. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.